What's up, guys? After a long time. Okay, now onwards, the like I don't know, like these videos will be chill. Like if I want to make it, I will make it. I don't want to make it, I will not make it. Um, this is just for time pass. Yeah. Physical education class. Student is not that if they will pass it to either the neighbor on the left or the neighbor on the right. This chain of incorrect allowing the student pass the ball. First student passes last process first. Okay, this is an easy question. Okay. L is one continuous stream to collect water. L is it's every 8 days. Is B days. Is it serious? When only 1% they collect 6 liter of water. If multiple people visit, the water is divided. Two people 3 liter each. Three people 2 liter each. Your task is how much water L is Bowen Carroll collect over M days starting from day one. Okay, common multiples. We have to count the common multiples. Okay. I think here inclusion exclusion principle will work. Okay, so like each one we have to tell that. Okay, so why it is taking so much of time. So what I'm thinking of here is that we will count the multiple of A, B, and C individually. Then we subtract where the common multiple of A, B, and C from each other. Then like in pair of two, and then we will do the same for pair of three. But there can be a possibility where the pair of two will pair of three. You have to look into it. Yeah. Why it is taking so much of time? Okay, it's running. It's running. It's running on test case file. It will get submitted, I think. Yeah. Yeah. Accepted. Okay. So let's move on to C. We have A, B, C, and then M. Okay. Okay. So okay, this much they will have, but this will be a 6 liter. Okay, I should multiply this by 6. I could have done this with a loop as well, but I don't know. Okay, so we have counted multiple of times. So what we can do here is that um, okay, we are subtracting 6 and then adding 3. It will be same as subtracting 3. Okay, so okay, so like whosoever is common is also got subtracted. So there also 3 is there. So we have to remove 3 from there and make it 2. So it will be adding a single row. A into B into C. Okay, this match. Okay. Maybe it will not give us the correct answer. I don't know. Not pretty sure about this. Oh my god. We are close here, but we are far from here. Okay. Okay, we have to do plus 3 and then plus 2, then it should be 5. Shit. doing anything. Here we put 6 everywhere. On common places we removed 6 and put 3, but where B and C both are there, what we did, what we did. I think we removed it twice. We removed 6 twice and added 6. It is -6. -6 plus 2. -8. Plus 8. Yes. I should try with 4. 3. 2 तो will work now. No, 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 no. I should not solve it like that. No, no, no. We created 0 there. That's why when we are multiplying with 2, it is working for some of the cases. Oh, yeah, yeah. That's the case. What is the main problem here? But if I multiply a whole 3, it will be 10 to the power 18. It is in the limit. A and B, B and C, A and C, and B and C. Okay, okay, okay. Then why is it is not working for other numbers? It is giving us the higher result. Why is it so? Okay. I think this will be crossing the limit. No, not really. I don't know. Wait, wait. This got disrupted. Okay, I'm taking it wrong. I don't know, is there any function like this? No, it's not. Okay. So LCM of A comma LCM, okay. A comma BC. Okay, okay. Now we are close. We have AV here, have AC here, AB, BC, AC and BC here, okay. C, BC, BC. So now why we are getting wrong? Like especially here, we should not get wrong here because here we can get wrong because of the calculation maybe, but What's getting wrong now? Hmm. Something here, maybe. Same, yeah, of course it's going to say. But why C is not coming properly? Did any mistake here? Okay. Oh, it is silly mistake. That's why it was getting wrong. It was a easy problem. You just have to like concentrate a bit. We're given an undirected graph for n vertices and m edges. The vertices are numbered from 1 to m. The graph contains no loops or multiple edges. Your task is to make the graph directed by choosing a direction. For each edge after directing the edge is called the sequence. Okay, if like if it does not throw any like um, I don't know, it's getting submitted. Yeah, it's running. If you want to know about my tools, then if you write the comment, I will like maybe try in the next video. I don't. There's no population on my channel. You are given another your task is to make a graph directed by choosing direction. Just call sequence even v2 vk, where k is an arbitrary and vortex can be repeated any number of times. Okay, but if one is directed at the end. Okay. So on call a vertex be beautiful if any path, not necessarily simple, and visual level that starts at vertex V is an alternating path in resulting directed graph. The number of vertices that can be made beautiful after detecting the edges. Okay. How much time it's had? Okay, 30 minutes. Oh, we were pretty fast today. What can we do here? Okay, so when a vertex, okay, let's do one thing which we have not done since ages, is writing down the observation. For any vertex v, we can make it beautiful if the spelling is correct. If we can have a directed edge from V to U such that U has at least one incoming edge. So what can be the solutions? If all the edges has a at least one in degree and at least one out degree, then we can do that. And for the edges which do not have, like who has a single edge, then what we can do is that we can just have them one out degree. Hmm. Maybe this should work, but if like this will result always in the right. Okay, let's write the test cases. It is 8 nodes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 nodes. Okay, 9 edges, which is 1, 2, 3. 1 to 4, 2 to 3, 2 to 4. There is a cycle. 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 5. Again a cycle. 6 to 8. Oh, the graph is not connected. Okay. One outward, one inward. So this will be outward, this will be inward, this will be outward, this will be inward. No, I get it wrong. Okay, yeah. Two incoming, two outgoing, two incoming, two outgoing. If I can make it like that, uh, if the graph is bipartite, kind of bipartite, I need to have at least one node, which. Mhm. If we represent nodes as plus minus, node with I don't know what we can do it. What we can do, what we can do. It's very deep. Straight greater than an integer x, the string x is formed through the following process. Initially, the string is empty. The decimal representative of number x without leading 0 is appended to it on the right. Okay. After that, if x is less than 9, the process ends, otherwise as x is replaced by the sum of the digit of x in the process returns to step 2. If we go from reverse, like if I start from like here, so like I need some of the digits were 3, so I need 3 from here. There can be multiple 3s, but still wherever I get the first 3, I will just like, and we can repeat this process because like the string will not be that uh, big. Okay, x can be any number. Okay. Hmm. No, no, no. This will be fixed. If we go from back to front, it will be fixed. Like, if the sum is 3 here, it will definitely be 3 here at this point. If I check this for this, the sum is 5, so we go from here. Oh, how it is going to be 5 then? Okay, ruko. Okay, I have to rearrange it such that it has the sum. Oh my god. Mm. No, no, no. It's out of our league. Let's think about this only. Okay. If there is a cycle of just 2 nodes, but if there are just 2 nodes, then it is not possible, like, for both of the nodes to make it. Um, I think we have to do a bipartite graph here, and mhm. Like kind of bipartite graph will work here. I think so. Like if we create a bipartite graph for this example, okay, which I'm going to do, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 is connected to 3. So one edge from 1 to 3. 3 is connected to 2. 2 again, the edge will be from 2 to 3. Then edge will be from 2 to 4. And then edge will be from 1 to 4. Then why the answer is 2 here? I can make it 4. I made it 4. I will not read the question properly because what is the father. this component is different and this component is different. So like here we can make it alternating for every node. Okay, the edge should be from that node. Hmm. Okay, the whole path should be like that. Hmm. Now I to get strongly feeling that it should be a bipartite graph. For each component we have to calculate that and if we can make the graph bipartite, then half of the nodes will be like that. Like in this case, the second case, if I make it like that, we don't have any alternating path. So yeah, this is about bipartite graph question. Yeah, this will be that only. It will work. Okay, this is bipartite graph. Parted. Okay. So we have to do some changes here. So let's read the code. Okay, this is the input. Okay. Okay, so we have to remove this array. No, we don't have to remove this array. We are using this, so we just create a new variable answer. Here we will initialize a count. Not here. Here. Oh, Maybe this will work. Oh. Mm-mm-mm. This should work. Please. Okay, what are the changes? Okay, last number will be okay. Last characters will be a number, okay, single number. If I try building it from there, please code forces allow. Please give me some priority in the queue. Okay, so what is constant here? It is the number of count of the character is constant. So using those count, I have to build this string. Okay, so if I know the initial this, okay, let's have some water. No progress. Please go for this. If I get an X, I can build the string. Whether I can check in X. Hmm. The main game is like how many digits will be there in the X. Arrangement does not matter. Hmm. Count of the digits in X matters. And number of the digits are 9 or 10. Okay. So what we can do about it? We can have some DP out of it. No. Checking it is also a pain. No need for penalty on code forces. Like your submission will get like judgment after 10 minutes only. Like I submitted this. Can't see the time actually. This is a joke. This is the easy version. Or I think it is easy. Left, right, down. Hmm. Hmm. Please give me wrong answer if I'm wrong. But please do something. Okay, let's assume our D is wrong. This can be wrong. In the case where there are two cycles, one has odd number of nodes, the other has even number of nodes, both has a common edge. Okay, I have not solved this question yet. Yeah, yeah. if they don't have hardware power, why they are conducting the contests? No, 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 I'm correct, I'm correct. Yeah, yeah. We don't have to go in the direction of the edges. Oh, yeah, it will always be true. I thought that then it will be very complicated question if that will be the case. Oh, code forces. If we fix the last digit, what will happen?
क्या खा बन सना के
Hmm.
बाद
Mhm. Can't I stop this for a while? answer is still in the queue. What's happening? In this problem, I think like if we fix the last digit, we can reach some solution. If we fix the last digit as 0, the sum of the digits will be 0 and there will be no answer. Okay. If the last digit will be 1, the second last digit will also be 1 and there will be again no answer. If the last digit is 2, second last and last will be 1 1 or 2. If it will be 2, then again it can be 1 1. Okay, so it cannot be 2. It will be 1 1 only, because if it will be 2, it will be ended at that time only. Okay, so if it will be 3, it can be 2 1 1 1 1 or 1 2, anything. Okay, like we have to just divide it into different parts. There are several ways to do that. Now we can proceed with this question. Okay, wrong answer on 2. Ah, after waiting for so long, I was thinking of doing E question. If this is wrong, then I don't know. Okay, I think this is making it wrong. Okay. Mhm. But how can it make it wrong? How can, like, then whenever we have any node which out with outward edge. Okay. This will be calculated on the count of -1 and 1. No, 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 0 and 1. If count of 0 is more than the count of 1, then like, okay, because okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. I think here the calculation is getting wrong. What we can do here is we can create a vector. Okay, make it CND. Okay. CND will check. Cover. I like it this way. Again, this is going to take a lot of time. Yeah, it's in queue. Okay, it's got accepted or not, I don't know. Like, I think it should work because what I think, like the branches which will be there in the cycle, their count will be making some problem. Like whether we have to make them invert, outward. But if you just count them, like they will create a problem. But I cannot explain it. Like if you draw a diagram, if you want to understand which edge case I was missing, the main edge cases I was missing was when you will draw a cycle of even nodes, and some of the nodes will be having alternating nodes will be having a single node connected to it, not in the cycle but outside it. Then the calculation of the like the answer will be calculated such that it will be count by 2, but in that case it will not be count by 2. It will be the number of node in the cycle by 2 plus those branches, because they are on the alternating nodes, they will be counted. They can, like, we can arrange it such that or not, or not. Yeah, it should be correct. We are going to give this contest till 9:30, and after that I am going to. Let's think about it. If I make a cycle of 1, 2, 3, and 4, and just connect um, a single node to 2, 5, and a single node to 4, which is 6, then if I make it like this, Hmm. Hmm. Okay, that is wrong. I should not break this here. Maybe this will help. Will this help? Maybe, maybe. Let's just submit it. Oh, oh, nice. It worked. Yes. Fuck. But I had the solution like half an hour ago. Because of the code forces, I was not able to solve it. Fine. So that's all for today. Like it will get submitted. Like you should know that. Like if you like passed 7 to 8 test cases, then it is going to be submitted. Maybe you will have some TLE kind of stuff later on or some edge cases, but you can figure it them out. Like as I have did. Like how can I make this wrong, bro? Like it was simple code, but okay. It was like I would have submitted this much earlier if the queue was not that bad. No, no, bro. No. Like now this will create a problem for me because I cannot like attempt the whole contest. That's why like this will push my rank down. I am going not going to attempt E because I'm not going to do it because I'm going to leave it. So that's all for this live or whatever it was. Thank you for watching and please comment if you like this. Okay, let me explain you some solutions like because like no, I should not. I will not be able to. Okay, bye bye. Thanks for watching.